Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. I have another job lead. How you doing today? Hey, this is Hilton. Hilton is currently hiring, guys. Jobs.hilton.com. I'll put the link in this description. Career paths, work you'll love, guys. There's four different types of categories here that Hilton has: hotels, corporate, university, HRCC. As you can see, your hotels, corporate, university. So it depends on where you want to, what department you want to work in. This is a great time to be a part of number one hashtag Team Hilton with extensive career development opportunities, dynamic support for learning and leadership development, plus an innovative culture committed to supporting your well-being. You have all of the resources you need to succeed, from hotels to corporate positions to home-based careers. You can find the opportunity that fits your unique skills and passion. And it pretty much tells you how Hilton hires, the job based on what they have. You can show more recently viewed jobs. These are some jobs that I was just clicking through just to get a feel for the website. If you come below, you can click here, or you can go at the top of the page, guys. Click on one of these here. Will lead you directly to where you want to go. If you're looking to basically look for jobs in particular, you can type in remote if you're looking for something remote. And that's how I was able to see that account executive customer engagement at Hilton. Hilton is pretty much hiring worldwide because this particular job opportunity is located in Germany, guys. Germany, Frankfurt, Germany. So they are hiring in multiple countries because it says here that they're in 123 countries. So they're hiring, you have Berlin, you have, let's see, Berlin. So it's so many different places, guys. I just wanted to come and share this with you. If you want to activate and have them send you a particular job, let's click on this one really quick. Design specialist. So if you click on this, and if you want to get more jobs like this, you just come below and you put in your email here and click submit, and that will be able to assist you in letting you know when the Hilton opportunities are available. So they have senior analysts. This one's in Texas. This one's in Virginia. This is in Texas. And so I just wanted to give you an idea on what's available. This job here is in Tennessee. This role is remote. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. So I'm just coming through, guys, just searching. And as I search, I'm sharing my search with you guys. So I will put the link jobs.hilton.com in the description. It talks about the benefits. It talks about the diversity. It talks about the brands. It talks about how to connect with different events. And it talks about the culture. So guys, Hilton is hiring. What I love about Hilton, one of my favorite hotels of Hilton, is the DoubleTree. They have those delicious cookies. I love those cookies. So guys, I'm super duper excited for whoever gets this role or any role that Hilton has to offer. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate you all so much. Love you lots. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.